Hello all, this is Nikom and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So I am back with second PSU update for you, that is from NMDC, which is Navratna and very good opportunity. Maximum age limit is 32 years and this is the direct recruitment for junior officer. 7.7 lakh CTC. Total vacancies are 54. If you complete your BE BTech in electrical, mechanical, civil, triple E, electrical electronics, then you can apply. We will see detailed information regarding the recruitment. So let's start our video with important points. So first is there is no percentage criteria here. Okay, so there is no criteria. Only pass out students are eligible. 1 year training will be there after selection, and during training you will get 37,000 rupees. Okay, as a stipend. Then process will be your CBT, and after CBT they will conduct skill test. Now see, your total selection is based on CBT only, but this skill test is in qualifying nature. So you just need to qualify the skill test, and also qualification percentage are 50% for open OBC or EWS, 40% for SC/ST PWD. Okay. Then paper will be offline. It is based on your OMR paper. Okay, OMR based sheet they will give you, and then you can solve that. Exam center and posting will be mostly in Hyderabad only. So you need to think about it before applying. Okay. Age limit calculation date is 27th of February. Age limit is 32 for general EWS, OBC 35, SST 37, WD 40 general, OBC 45 and SST 47. Important days, form started yesterday and it will end on 27th of February. So in the evening you will get form filling video, okay, in the comment section of this video. So just watch that and then you can fill the form and about exam date they will notify us later. Fees will be 250 rupees for general OBC EWS and there is no fee for SST PWD expressmen. Now we will see detailed bracket breakdown of vacancy wise. So civil branch, total 7 vacancies for you. UR 3, OBC 1, EWS 1, SC/ST 1 respectively. BE BTech in civil, you can apply here. Then for electrical, total 14 vacancies, open 4, open 6, OBC 4, EWS 1, SC2, ST 1. Okay, if you complete your BE BTech in electrical, and triple E students also eligible for electrical post. Then last is mechanical, maximum vacancies 33, open 40, OBC 9, EWS 3, SC 5 and ST 2. Okay, if you complete BE BTech in mechanical, then apply to this post. Now the most important exam pattern, and this exam pattern is tentative. The admit card they will share the details, but before that I am giving you that content reasoning will consist of 20 questions, general awareness 50 questions and technical 30 questions. Okay, and total question you can expect 100, 120 minutes, 2 hours you will get. Negative marking, definitely we will get information later, and paper languages English and Hindi. So form filling video will be out in the evening, and before after that strategy video we will discuss how you can crack this exam, what is the syllabus, everything we will discuss in strategy video. If you have any query, and the recruitment, then definitely you can comment down below, and if you want to ask me anything personally, then you can DM me on Instagram.